momentum of a particle is p. The kinetic energy of the particle is doubled. The momentum is now. The kinetic energy equals p squared over 2m. And from this formula, the p squared equals 2me. The examiner said that the kinetic energy is doubled. So let me say p squared equals 2m 2e, double kinetic energy. Keep in your mind, this is a no momentum. So I just wrote n with a no momentum because you double the kinetic energy. I'm trying to rearrange the equation. So now it's 2 with the double, and then 2m gonna be no momentum square equals 2 and 2me, which is the p squared. No momentum equals the square root, so square root 2, square root p squared is going to be p. Correct answer for question 1, square root 2p is A.